Where'd you go? Did you leave already? There you are. You're hiding. Seriously, I have the door open. Come on. You're making it hard on me, little one. Door's open for a reason. It's not an exit. I have an exit open for you. I know you want the trees. Oh, you hung upside down. That's nice. Almost makes me want to cut a slit in there and just open it up for you. Oh, so close. It's hiding. Oh, what? Wait. It might be going for the hole. Come on, make a smart decision. There's a hole right there. Oh, so close. You have no idea how to get out. Okay, he's not going to come out this way. I'm going to have to punch a hole for him somewhere. I don't know where. One of his favorite spots is right here. I know, you're okay. Calm down. I'll get you situated. It's all tougher than I thought. Okay, Birdo. We gotta do something. We get you out of here. Do you have anything that will cut? Well, the cat's looking at you. You cannot have him, Key Cat. I know, little one. I'm thinking. Hey, you tripped. That was pretty cool. Got it. Open this up more. Sure, I had it anyways. Okay, I gotta shoot you this way. Come on. Come on. So close. Seriously? Come on, you were so close. Come on, this way. Hey, on. I could have opened that. Come on, birdie. Come on. There you go. That's how we let a birdie out.